what is going on, everyone? Shiva Sapkota here with another Tesla accessory review. Today I've got a really unique but super cool product for you all. This is this lighted T logo that goes on your wheel cap. So you just remove that wheel cap and then just put this in on the center. And what this does is a similar technology like what we used to see in older bikes, where you pedal and then there's a headlight in the front that lights up. It's exactly that. It has got a mini generator inside. So every time you are rotating the wheel, this just lights up. There is a mini light that turns on here. The T logo is supposed to light up, but we'll see how that works at nighttime. In the day, it is a little bit harder to see. It comes from a company called Overivew. We have reviewed a lot of product from them in the past. They're not sponsoring the channel. They're not paying us to say anything. They did send us this product free of charge. So full transparency here, and if you make a purchase using our discount code Shiba Tesla, we might make a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which helps us bring more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So as far as the packaging goes, this is everything that it comes with. 4 wheel hubs in the middle. They also send you a screwdriver so you can pop out your old wheel cover hub here. And so I said, this comes from Overivew here. You remove this, and this is where you see that Tesla logo right here. And then as you're spinning it, this is when it lights up. So it does not require any batteries. There is no wiring required. This is super easy. So a couple of clarifications. This is only applicable for Tesla Model 3 18-inch and Tesla Model Y 19-inch. And the reason is because not all cars have this piece in the middle. So this is the 19-inch. This is the stock wheel that comes with Tesla, and it has got this silver cover. So it has that packaged like a wheel cap here. I can't remove this wheel cap, but if we look at the wheel itself, there is a hole here. So as long as you have this present on your wheel, you are able to install that. So check with that. And this is the 18-inch aero wheel from my Model 3. So 18-inch aero wheel. I still can't remove this. So this is kind of embedded within the wheel cover here. But because it has that opening here, that means I'm able to install this new product. So 18-inch Model 3, 19-inch Model Y. You can also do this on Model S and X apparently. Just check the diameter, talk to EV based on what is applicable. So let's go ahead and get this installed. As you see, I removed the wheel cover here, and there is this opening. We just push this device inside this opening. So as I said, this is a pretty straightforward process. All you do is take this and then just insert this in here and then push it in from all sides. So it clicks into its place, and that's it. We're done. Now this is fully in place, and when the wheel is rotating, you'll see that light turn on. So let's start with the negatives here, that it actually sticks out quite a bit. If you look at it here, I wish it was more flush within the wheel, so this sticks out. It's nice that this Tesla logo is always facing the right way. Even if you had to push this on the side, it's always going to be facing the right way, the correct orientation, so that is good. But if you look at it, this does stick out quite a bit here. So that's one negative that I already see. This full install, and then the rear one just has that cover, the wheel cover that we got from Overivew. This is that Uber Turbine wheel cover, and we're gonna leave that in there and then see the difference with the light versus not lighted version. So this one does not have the light, it just has that Tesla logo in the middle versus the one that we just installed here. This has the light in the middle. So we'll see how much of a difference that light makes in the middle. But let's start with the daytime. So here's the footage that you see in the screen right now. That was recorded during the daytime. And as you can see, you can't really tell there is light. So during daytime, I wouldn't think that this adds any value even to the aesthetic, because you don't see this light spinning unless it's a very cloudy day. It was somewhat of a sunny day earlier, and I just couldn't see it. No matter how much I slow down the footages, I just don't see the light pop up. And this is just more of a realistic view, kind of from a little bit further away, if you are able to notice or not. I didn't like mount a camera right here to show you, because that's not how it is going to work in real world. If people are gonna see it, they're gonna see it from outside, at least like a 1 car length away. They're not gonna be standing right next to your tire watching that, because the car is gonna be in motion. Now at nighttime, that's a different story. You do see it. I was able to see the light as I accelerate. on faster speed. So the recording was done at around 40-45 miles per hour, and I'm just trying to slow this footage down to show you that the light is visible at that, and the camera doesn't do full justice on how good this looks. It actually looks decent, but one has to probably go 60-70 miles per hour or more to see the full brightness of this. At 20-30 miles per hour, you're just gonna see a dim version of this. So when I was going like 40 miles per hour, I could see the light kind of lit up, but it was very dim in my opinion for that speed. So I'm not dissing on the product. It's a great product. It's a great concept, but that's just the honest truth. Maybe I got a unit that wasn't like bright enough, but I would think like if you see right here, when I'm spinning it, you can see the light, and that's what you see outside. But for it to just independently spin like this, the car has to go really, really fast. At lower speed, you are just going to see something like this, where you barely see the light come out. So I don't want you to get disappointed if you do decide to check this out. I wanted to show you a real world example of what this looks like. Another dislike I have about this device is that I cannot use any of the wheel covers that I have. There's probably very few wheel covers with a hole in the middle that you can implement this through. So you can't use wheel covers. You have to go directly to your wheel, which also has disadvantages of getting curb rash and things like that. So what do you all think about this device? It's a great concept in my opinion. What are your thoughts, your likes, your dislikes? What improvement you would like to see EV-based implement in the future iterations? I like that the installation was super easy. It is a very, very quick installation, and it's a great concept again. I think they need some little bit more work to make this brighter, but I think it's a great product. If you would like to check this out, you can go to the link down below in the description. Click on it. You can put discount code Shiva Tesla to save some money. Thank you very much. We'll be back again soon.